Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will going to talk about the future of automation in 2026. So imagine you wake up in the morning in the year 2026, your alarm turns off automatically. Your coffee machine starts preparing coffee by itself. Your car drive you to work without you touching the steering wheel. And when you reach your office, many tasks that people used to do manually are now being done by robots, smart machines, and artificial intelligence. So, this is not a science fiction, trust me. This is the future of automation that is already starting to happen. But this raises some important question like, will machine replace human job? This is a question. Or will robot task over industry? Or will automation actually create a new opportunity for people? So in this video, we will explore the future of automation in 2026. So let's start by understanding the most basic question that first of all, what exactly is automation? So we have to understand this. So automation simply means using technology, machines or software to perform task automatically without constant human effort or without human intervention. So in this past, most tasks required people to do everything manually, but today machines can perform many tasks faster and more accurately. For example, I'll give you some example for this. Like in factories, robots can assemble products. In bank, ATMs allow people to withdraw money without a cashier, which earlier required a human or a cashier, a human person. Customer service companies use AI chatbots to answer customer questions. Even in our homes, we are starting to see automation. Smart devices like automated light, voice assistant, and smart security system can perform tasks automatically. And the best example of all this automation is everybody knows that Alexa. So automation is basically about making machines to do repetitive tasks or complex work efficiently. And this technology is growing faster every year. So now the next question is, why is automation expanding so quickly around the world? So there are several reasons of this. We will going to talk about, like, first, so technology has become much more advanced. Obviously, we are seeing in our day-to-day life. And artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics have improved dramatically in the last decade. So these technologies allow machines to learn patterns, make decisions, and perform tasks that previously only human could do. Second is automation helps companies save time and money. Machines can work continuously without break, but human needs break. You can only work for 8 hours, 10 hours, not more than that, but machine can work 24 hours. So they can perform tasks with high accuracy and fewer mistakes. For businesses, this means higher productivity and lower operational cost. And the third, we can understand that automation can improve safety and efficiently. So some jobs are dangerous for humans, such as working in hazardous factories or handling toxic materials. In this situation, robots can perform the work more safely. Because of these reasons, companies across the world are investing heavily in automation. Now, automation is not limited to just one industry. In fact, it is spreading across many different sectors. I can give you this example of these sectors. Like in manufacturing, robots are used to factories to assemble cars, electronics, and other products too. In banking sector, automated system manage transactions, ATMs, and digital payments. Or if you talk about healthcare sector, so artificial intelligence is helping doctors analyze medical images and detect disease faster. And in transportation sector, companies are developing self-driving car and autonomous delivery system. So even in retail and shopping, automation is changing how a store operates. So some stores now use automated checkout system where customers can pay without interacting with the cashier. Nowadays, this is very common. You can, if you are going to mall, you can see that. And in warehouses, robots help organize and move product efficiently. This is the warehouse management. If someone worked on this domain, like in testing side or maybe development side, so that people already aware of this. So this shows that automation is slowly becoming part of almost every industry. So this brings us to a very important question, that who will be affected by automation? This is really important. The reality is that automation will impact many types of jobs, especially those that involves repetitive tasks. In this repetitive task, there are jobs like data entry, assembly line work, basic customer support, or simple administrative tasks. So these type of job can often be performed by machine or software. However, automation does not only limit it to or eliminate the job, it also create new types of work. As automation grows, there will be increasing demand for professionals such as artificial intelligence engineers, robotic specialists, data analysts, and cyber security expert. There will also be a greater need for job that requires creativity, human judgment, and emotional intelligence. These are areas where humans still have a strong advantage over machine. The transformation caused by automation is not something that will happen only in the distant future. In fact, it is already happening right now. Many companies have already started using automated technologies. Expert believes that by 2026, automation will become even more widespread. Factories will become more smarter. Transportation system may include more autonomous vehicles. Businesses will rely more heavily on artificial intelligence for decision making. This means the way people work and interact with technology could change significantly in the next few years. So, the final and most important question is, how can people prepare for a future with automation? So, the answer is not to fear technology, okay, but to adopt and learn new skills. People will need to focus on developing skills that machine cannot easily replace. These includes creativity, critical thinking, problem solving, communication, and emotional intelligence. So, learning about technology and digital tool will also become increasingly important. Instead of competing with machines, the future will involve humans working together with technology. Those who adopt and continue learning will be able to benefit from the opportunities created by automation. So, automation is rapidly changing the world we live in. By 2026, we may see machines performing many tasks that humans used to do. But this does not necessarily mean a future without jobs. Instead, it means a future where technology and human work side by side. Automation will bring challenges, yes, but it will also create new opportunities for innovation, growth, and progress. So, the key is to stay informed, keep learning, and be ready for the future, because the future of automation is not just about machine, it's about how humans choose to use technology to build a better world. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in the next session.